Thank you for joining us for our video series entitled Risk Communication Principles and COVID-19 Vaccine Misconceptions and Misinformation. This is the last video in a set of videos designed to prepare you to proactively address misconceptions and misinformation about COVID-19 vaccination campaigns. Across the videos, we defined misinformation and several related terms while also explaining why it is a problem for communicators and overall public health. In video number 1, we described the differences between misinformation, disinformation, and those lacking knowledge, explaining why different communication strategies may be needed when confronting each. In video number 2, we spent some time exploring why information sticks in our memory and ways to identify misinformation. In video number 3, we provided a set of guidelines for determining whether a source is trusted and credible or a potential source of false or misleading content. In video number 4, we also discussed some factors that make misinformation correction so difficult. Specifically, we examined how people select and make sense of information and the role it plays in making people resistant to correcting information. In video number 5, we offered a set of best practices for correcting misinformation within audiences. These included tips on how to craft your messages, the type of language to use, the level of details to provide, and the sources to lean on. These are strategies that the latest research suggests can help correct misperceptions in audiences, but we encourage you to keep up with this literature as we learn more about misinformation correction every day. And in the last video, we put some of these best practices into action by addressing an actual piece of misinformation about the COVID-19 vaccines. If this is the first video you are viewing, we encourage you to go back and view the others. And if you have viewed the earlier content, we hope you found value in the materials and will be able to use the information in your own public health materials to support risk communication efforts. To continue learning, please watch our first video series on communicating about COVID-19 vaccine safety and benefits. Lastly, there are a lot of resources out there on risk communication. To explore more, start by visiting the TEPHINET Coronavirus Knowledge Hub, www.tephinet.org/TEPHINET Learning Center/Coronavirus Knowledge Hub.